song without the music. How can there be a way without a sea? The lightning meets the thunder as a speaking voice, oh yes, and I must have you for the life of me. How can there be a baby with no crying? A future with no past can never be. A hummingbird can't live unless it's free to fly. Oh yes, and I must have you for the life of me. I know that sunshine follows rain. I know the pleasure follows pain, and I know that I must have you somehow. Oh yeah, every ship waits for the crew, and every road waits for the dew, but I need you right now. How can there be an end with no beginning? So run to me, I'm waiting helplessly. And break the shackles of impatience. Oh, make me, for I must have you for the life of me. For I must have you for the life of me.